I had a tuber this morning telling me it's too bad that I couldn't figure out a way to take the Edelbrock name off of this air cleaner, intake air cleaner, and I got on here because he didn't think it looked old schoolish enough. And I told him, I said, well, I got some kind of old flat disc balloon thing that I believe was an air cleaner. Fit right on there, I believe. Well, that's what this is. Huh. A little bit biggish. It's got a kind of an emblem on the top. It looks like a, what do you call that when they look like that? Looks like a compass thing. And on the other side here it says Keniston. I don't know about that. I really don't. But there it is. It ain't exactly centered, is it? I mean, I don't know if this thing is, because that other one looked the same way. I wonder if there's something not round about this. It ain't sitting in the right, well, it ain't sitting on the right. That makes sense. I didn't have that in the right place there. Okay. That should be better. So, I mean, if you prefer that look, that too is an option. Holy joy. I don't really know. I ain't decided yet. Sometimes I like one thing for a while, then I get over it and I like something else for a while. I'm funny that way. All my old girlfriends never was too much amused by it, but I always thought it was fun. Anyway, we won't talk about that no more. Well, heck far. I'll just set this right back up on here for now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I'm sure y'all will tell me what I should do. I don't mind either. Y'all go ahead. Tell me anything you want. I'll listen. I may not obey, but I'll listen. I kind of like the old Edelbrock thing. A little bit of chromium don't hurt nothing.